Hello everyone, welcome back to JKC Tutorials. Today we'll write our first test using Playwright Java. To get started, ensure you have JDK 8 or later, Maven or Gradle build tool, and Playwright Java dependency. We are automating a simple login scenario. For this, we are making use of a dummy login application. Add the Playwright dependency in your pom.xml file. You can get it from the official documentation of Playwright. Next, we'll create our Java class. Let's name it first test. We'll first create a static variable for our browser. Let's create our main method. Let's create a Playwright instance. After this, we'll create our browser instance. Let's use browser playwright.chromium and we will set it as headless false. By default, Playwright uses headless browser. Next, we require is a page. Page is like a new tab in the browser. Browser.new page. Then we'll navigate to our application URL. So it's browser URL. Then we will require the locators for all these three: username, password, and submit. So in interest of time, I've saved it. These are our three locators. Next, we'll fill it with an incorrect value and submit. Once you enter incorrect fields, you get an error message. Your username is invalid. We'll define this also as a constant. Static final string. I also have the error locator with me. Playwright also provides its own assertions called the Playwright assertions. Microsoft Playwright assertions, and within that we'll refer the assert that. Now the assert that method takes either of the three: locator, page, or API response object. We have the error locator, error dot contains text, our error message. So let's run till here. Chromium browser, and your username is invalid. Okay, I forgot to close the browser. Browser.close, page.close, browser.close, and also Playwright should be closed. Let's rerun it. And our test has passed. In case I would have given an incorrect error message, you would have got the assertion error also. We can see the assertion failure here. Yes, assertion failure, locator expected text JKC, but we received your username is invalid. Let me revert to the original one. Now we'll check for a successful scenario. Username fill student and password fill. This I'm getting from the website only. Password 123. Password 123. Let's see what happens when we enter the correct values. Student password 123. You get a successful message, logged in successfully. So I have this locator also copied with me. We'll create another variable for success message and similar assertion we will have here for success. Look on locator only we're testing. Also need to add submit dot click after entering password. Let's run it in debug mode. First we have entered the username and password JKC. Okay. Next Okay, we've got error message, your username is invalid. Let's go to the second flow. Enter the correct password. Let's jump in. Okay. Let's finish it. Yes. Process finished and our test has passed. That's all about the first test. The code is available on GitHub and you can find its link in the description of this video. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.